Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can animate with Canva. Now Canva is used for a whole lot of things, from designing your thumbnails if you are on YouTube, and of course other social media platforms. You can also use Canva for a whole lot of things that pertains to visuals and videos and all of that. But today I want to show you specifically how to use this platform to animate, to create animations. You can actually use it to create cartoon and of course short movies. If today is the very first time of you watching, please like, subscribe, comment and turn on the notifications so that anytime I upload a new content, you'll be the very first to know. My name is Joe, your tech handyman. If you're ready, let's dive
Okay guys, find your way to canva.com. Canva. Now this is the landing page. This is how it looks. You can see some of the creations I have. So on the search bar, just type in YouTube thumbnail and it takes you to this place. This is where you have the thumbnail template, or we are going to create from a blank canvas. So click on create blank and it takes you right here. So first thing we are going to do is to go to element. Once you click on element, it pops out that way. So on the search bar, you type in whatever thing you want to use as a background. In this case, I'm going to use a street, so I just type street. So click on view all. It will take you everywhere so you can see the streets that are available on file, like so. So I think I will use this particular one. The other one that is for pro, I think if you have a pro plan you can use any, but I'm going to use this one. So you click on it to bring it to the canvas. So adjust it to fit the entire stretch of the canvas, like so. So that is achieved. So next thing, still leaving it at that element, type another character you want to use. In this case I want to use a car, so I'll just type car cartoon character of a car, so like so. So once I click on it, it opens up this way, but I want an animated cartoon. So click on these three lines and then scroll all the way down to animated, like so. You can change the colors up here to the color that you want. So once that is changed, you can see what we have now are all animated. So click view all and then it takes you here, so you'll be able to see all the animated cards. So once I scroll down to the one I like, I will select it and we'll continue. I think I like this particular one that is blue color, so just click on it and then it appears on your canvas. So I'm going to shrink it to give me more space to maneuver. Once I shrink it to the desired size like that, we'll drag it out, because the effect I'm going to create here will be a car driving past, a car driving by, something like that. So once that is positioned, you go all the way and click animate. Once you click animate, and then you can see create an animation, so you click on it like that. So once that is clicked, you just drag the object across the canvas like I am doing. So you can see it's like the car is driving past. That is the kind of animation I'm trying to create. So you drag it across your screen or to any position you want. Once done, when I lift my hand off the mouse, you see it's playing. So you can click this button here to play. You can see how nicely is animating a car driving past on a street. So easy. So once that is done, you just go back to element. We are trying to add sound to it, so I'll scroll down to where I have audio and click see all, like that. So from here you can type any kind of audio you want, but in this case I want to type car engine. So once you type that in, it's already selected, so I'll just click on it and then ensure that you go for the one, if you're using a free Canva plan, go for the one that doesn't have the pro batch on it. So in this case I want to use this particular one because it's still within the free plan parameters. So when you click on it, you see it's added to the storyboard under your video. So if I play, so you can hear that, so you can download from here. So once you click on download, within a few second it will be downloaded. And then so guys, take time out to explore and see what you can create with this amazing tool. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.